welcome to another polygel party, and today I am experimenting with extending my nails. That is why they look so weird. So basically I took my extra long square tip and then I attached this medium square tip using the APRES Dupe Method to attach these to my nail. So I've already applied base gel as well as clear polygel to my natural nail, and now I'm going to attach these two nails together.
Party, let's get lit. Let's get lit.
So the inspiration for today's nails going to be a tropical paradise. Now, MAKARTT has come out with a Birds of Paradise kit. I will put a picture up on the screen. Unfortunately, for those of us that live in the EU, we are not able to access this collection, nor did we get the Sweet Cravings. And I believe we did not get Mariposa either, but I'm not certain. I definitely know I wanted to buy a few kits and I wasn't able to get them. Or was it the Emily Susanna kit? Anyway, so because I'm not able to get that kit, I still wanted to do some really nice tropical nails, and that's what I'm going to be doing in today's video. Okay, so I have all of the tips on now. So what I need to do is take my 100-180 sanding file as well as my buffer and start to file around the edges of the nails just to smooth them out, make them nice and straight, and then buff the surface on the top to remove that shine. Okay, so I have filed and buffed my nails as well as use a alcohol wipe to remove any excess dust. So now I am just going to go in with a layer of base gel onto my nails, cure this under my UV lamp for 60 to 90 seconds to get my nails ready to apply some polygel. Okay, so for my polygel, I will be adding some acrylic powder. These two colors, I like the pink and the orange. I will be adding this to some clear or pink polygel to make my own polygel color. Now, I was going to use this spider gel that I got from Saviland. I wanted to use this yellow. I don't actually end up using this on my nail. I just had it out just in case. I decided to use it. It's very sticky, by the way. I also have these tropical looking sequins that I purchased from Amazon a while back, so this would definitely suit a tropical decoration. And these exact gold leaves are in the MAKARTT Birds of Paradise kit. I have these dried flowers that I want to use, as I think they will also add a bit of tropical decor to my nails. So I'm just winging it today, as I always do with my nails. I try different things. I have a bunch of stuff on my table and I figure out what works. So I didn't end up, like I said, I didn't end up using this spider gel. I will definitely try to use it in another video, but this looks super sticky. So I'll gotta see how this works out another time. Okay, so let's get started mixing our polygel. So I am just gonna take a blob of this polygel onto a dish, and then I'm going to pour over some acrylic powder, and then using my cuticle pusher as a spatula, I will then combine the two ingredients together to mix up a beautiful fuchsia polygel. So I'm just grabbing the slip solution that came with this Polygel kit from Saviland and pouring this in a little dish. And then with my spatula, I'm going to scoop up some of that beautiful pink, hot pink fuchsia Polygel and apply it onto my index and just pat it into place. So here is how that first nail is looking. Definitely not too bad of a job. So I'm going to use this leftover pink, hot pink polygel, and I'm just going to use the glitter polygel from Saviland and just kind of mix this in together. So it's going to be like a hot pink glitter polygel, and I'm going to apply this to my ring finger. And here is how that nail is looking. That's quite pretty actually. And you can see from this side, like it's not too lumpy, because when I first started polygel last year, my polygel was horrible. Didn't quite get the hang of it, but definitely practice makes perfect. So now I'm going to move on and do the exact same thing, this time using my orange acrylic powder. Now for my thumb and my pinky finger, I'm going to do like, trying to do in between like a teal or a turquoise or something with these two colors. So I'm going to grab my clear acrylic polygel instead of the pink, and I'm going to combine the green and this sky blue into it to make two separate colors to apply to my nails. So far, this is what the nails are looking like. So I kind of did like a ombre of the green and blue, and then a half green, half blue on the thumb. So now it's time for me to file and buff these nails and get them ready for a little bit of designing. For my thumb and pinky, I just added some top coat as well as a gold metallic transfer foil. And now for my ring finger, I'm going to go in with these dried flowers as well as some rhinestones, as well as those gold leaves that I showed you earlier. That was very similar to what was inside the MAKARTT Birds of Paradise collection.
She's known to take away your clothes. I know your name. Tell me who you really waiting for. I know you know.
So I've applied some top gel to my nails, and now I'm placing the dried flowers on top of the top gel while it is still wet. Then I will put on the rhinestones as well as the golden leaves, and then pop my finger under the UV lamp to cure for another 60 to 90 seconds.
I won't let it out until you let me know if you're good. Just admit it, you got it, baby. Ain't you ready to go? And you with it, you know it, lady. Damn it, baby, I know. Tell me reason she's still here waiting. And you felt this before.
And here is how the nail turned out. It's a little bit bold, definitely, and it's quite fragile. So this is not a practical design, but it is very tropical and it is very pretty. So let me know down in the comments what you think of this design, and I will see you in the next video.